Lemon AI Agent is insane. Lemon AI Agent finds market opportunities 100 times faster than you ever could. Today, I'm going to show you how this free tool does market research while you sleep. No coding, no spreadsheets, no confusion. Just tell it what you want, and it builds you a complete analysis report in minutes. This changes everything about how people do research. Most people waste hours doing market research. They open 10 different tabs. They check websites. They copy data into spreadsheets. They get tired. They get confused. And they miss important stuff because there's just too much information. But there's a better way now. So what is Lemon AI? It's an autonomous agent. And when I say autonomous, I mean it actually goes out and does the work without you babysitting it. You tell it what you want. It goes and finds it. Then it builds you a full report. No coding required, no technical background needed, nothing complicated. Let me break down how this actually works. You start by telling Lemon AI what you're looking for. You use normal language, no weird commands, no technical stuff. Just talk to it like you're talking to a person. Maybe you want to find tech companies. Maybe you want companies with strong fundamentals. Whatever it is, you just type it out. Then Lemon AI gets to work. And this is where it gets crazy. The agent doesn't do a simple search. It goes through massive amounts of market data. It analyzes thousands of data points. It screens stocks based on what you asked for. It compares metrics. It finds patterns. It filters out all the noise. And it does all of this automatically. The speed here is insane. Information that would take you weeks to collect gets processed in minutes. No more copying data, no more trying to remember which stocks you already looked at, no more getting lost in spreadsheets. The AI handles all that boring work for you. But speed alone isn't enough. What good is fast if the output is confusing? That's why Lemon AI doesn't just dump data on you. Instead, it creates a full HTML report. This is a properly formatted document that organizes everything clearly. You get sections, you get headers, you get tables with all the data, you get visual charts that show trends, you get explanations that give you context. The report is designed to be actionable. That means you can actually use it to make decisions. Every piece of information has a purpose. No filler, no complexity, just insights presented clearly. And because it's HTML, you can open it anywhere. You can share it with your team. You can save it. You can even print it if you want. It's that simple. Now, here's what makes this different from other tools. First, no coding. Some AI tools make you write scripts or learn programming. With Lemon AI, that barrier doesn't exist. You're using normal language the whole time. Quick thing. If you want to learn how to actually use tools like Lemon AI to scale your business, automate your workflows, and save hundreds of hours, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to implement AI automation in your actual business, not theory. Real implementations that save time. Whether you're using Lemon AI for market research or other AI agents for automation, I show you exactly how to set it up and scale it. The link is in the description. Second, no manual research anymore. Manual research is slow. You make mistakes. You might miss important stuff because you got tired. An AI agent doesn't have these issues. It processes everything the same way every time. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't skip steps. Third, the insights are actually useful. Some tools give you information, but you don't know what to do with it. Lemon AI focuses on actionable intelligence. The reports highlight what matters. They point out opportunities. They give you the context you need to understand why something is important. Let me walk you through a typical workflow. You open Lemon AI. You type something like, "Find technology companies with strong product launches." That's it. That's your input. Now Lemon AI springs into action. It accesses market databases. It pulls current data. It applies your criteria. It ranks results. It finds the top candidates. It gathers detailed information about each one. It checks for recent news. It compares performance metrics. It builds visualizations. And finally, it puts everything into that HTML report. When the report is ready, you open it and everything is right there. You see a summary at the top with key findings. You see a section with the top options that match what you asked for. Each option has its own part with metrics, performance indicators, growth patterns, market position, recent news, and any red flags or positive signs. The whole process takes 5 minutes from start to finish. You'd look up each company one by one. You'd copy data into your own document. You'd make your own charts. You'd write your own analysis. That could take hours or even days. Here's another advantage: consistency. When you do research manually, the quality changes. Some days you're focused, some days you're not. An AI agent delivers the same results every time, same level of detail, same approach, same attention. Think about the bottleneck in most research. It's not that information doesn't exist, we have too much information. The bottleneck is processing it, taking raw data and turning it into understanding. That's where humans struggle and where AI wins. Lemon AI removes that bottleneck. Some people worry about trusting AI with important analysis, but here's the thing: the AI isn't making decisions for you. It's gathering and organizing information. You're still the one who looks at the report and decides what to do. The AI is a tool that makes you better. It gives you a better foundation for making smart choices. Another benefit is exploration. Sometimes you don't know exactly what you're looking for. With Lemon AI, you can explore more easily. You can run different searches with different criteria. You can see what comes up. You can compare results. Each report only takes minutes, so testing doesn't cost you much time. This kind of fast iteration helps you refine your thinking. Maybe your first search is too broad and gives too many results, so you add more specific criteria and run it again. Maybe you find an interesting pattern in one report that makes you want to explore something related, so you adjust your search and see what happens. Let's talk about real use cases. Say you're looking at the tech sector. You want to find companies that just launched new products. You type that into Lemon AI. Within minutes, you have a report showing the top companies, what they launched, how the market reacted, and what the growth indicators look like. You didn't have to visit a single website manually. Or maybe you're interested in healthcare companies with strong fundamentals. You type that in. Lemon AI goes through the market, finds the best matches, checks their recent performance, and gives you a complete breakdown. You saved hours or even days of work. The key here is that Lemon AI doesn't just search. It analyzes, it thinks, it connects dots. It gives you insights you might not have found on your own, and it does this consistently every single time you use it. Now let's talk about the competitive advantage this gives you. While everyone else is spending hours on research, you're getting results in minutes. While they're drowning in data, you're getting clear, actionable reports. While they're making decisions based on incomplete information, you're working with comprehensive analysis. This isn't a small advantage. This is the difference between moving fast and moving slow, between making informed decisions and guessing, between finding opportunities first and finding them last. In business, timing matters. Being first matters. Having better information matters. Lemon AI gives you all three. And here's what's crazy. It's free. You don't have to pay for this. You don't need a subscription. You don't need to sign up for some expensive service. You can start using it right now and get the same results I'm talking about. Think about what you're currently doing for research. Think about how long it takes. Think about how much you might be missing. Think about what you could do with that time back. That's what Lemon AI offers you. Time, accuracy, speed, consistency. The future of research isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about using tools that multiply your capabilities. It's about letting AI do what it's good at so you can focus on what you're good at. And that's exactly what Lemon AI does. Now, I want to be clear about something. This isn't magic. This is technology being used the right way. Lemon AI isn't going to make you rich overnight. It's not going to make decisions for you. What it will do is give you better information faster, and better information leads to better decisions. Better decisions lead to better results. The people who win in business are the people who have the best information and act on it fastest. Lemon AI gives you both. It gives you comprehensive analysis, and it gives it to you in minutes. That's a combination that's hard to beat. One last thing. If you want to learn how to actually use tools like Lemon AI to scale your business, automate your workflows, and save hundreds of hours, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I show you how to use AI the right way to grow fast. Link is below. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation.